Good morning, traders. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Adam here with Bull Logic, going over another morning watch list and market analysis for you. Let's take a quick look at the S&P 500. We had a very strong week last week. Market's up about 2% overall. Some more, some less. We had a nice bear flag forming here, and then we finally saw that breakdown come Monday. Unfortunately, though, the bears could not close it strong. They actually ended up hitting support and bouncing off of that 1357, or that bottom of that bear flag. Typically, that would be the first target in a bear flag, is the bottom of the flagpole, if you will. But you should really expect to go a little bit lower than that, just because usually bear flags are pretty strong trading signals. Unfortunately, the bears could not get it below that. They did hold support. They turned a perfect bear flag into a range when they ended up bouncing off. So then we had this box going on right here. We had a nice little box forming, a nice little range. Bulls ended up getting that bounce, going through that 50-day moving average, the 20-day moving average, and then finally breaking the top of that box and then breaking out Thursday, and then Friday they confirmed that move. So we definitely had a failed bear flag into a range that ended up being bullish. We could see another run back to the highs, back to that 1420 level. We are short-term overbought now due to this 4 days straight up. So look for maybe a retest of that top of that range, maybe that 1390 level, before we bounce and then move higher again. But definitely starting to look bullish now, so keep that in your mind when picking them stocks. Speaking of which, we did not see too many good setups. Things are a bit overextended, so we only got about 6 on our watch list. We're looking for the Zolt, Z-O-L-T, coming over that 50-day moving average. Nice little range after a big sell-off, so definitely could move higher. P coming here, starting to put in nice little bottoms. Looking at 20-day moving average. Definitely look for a break of that 20-day moving average. Should be strong. Siga, this one had a nice little strong run up and then a tiny flag coming in. Just putting in a little bit of resistance there at that 346 level. Low volume, so be careful with that, but it's got a lot of shorts in it, so we could see another run to that 200-day moving average. MM, a recent IPO, pretty much just sold off, kind of basing out here. Look for it to take at that 20 level. Nice little bounce off the bottom it had. That would have been also a good place to buy for a nice support buy. Fortunately, I did not see it then. HZO, just look for this to take out over the highs. Big strong day on Thursday. Friday was a nice small inside day. It could run after that and take out these highs. And SVU, still watching this one. It's an okay setup, but just looking for it to squeeze through that 50-day moving average between that 20 and 50. It's got a nice base forming here, so it definitely could move higher. But it's a big stock, so don't expect anything life-altering here. Just a nice little swing trade for you. All right, everyone. I'm still sticking to intraday plays mostly just because the market has been a little bit more difficult, but they've been working pretty well for me. I do keep these plays on my watch list, so if they do break out, I do go after them. So good luck to you out there.